What's going on, guys? Check it out. Just took this one off the shelf. This one is the Hiaboxing HBX Ratchet 1/18 scale buggy. Check it out. Got some lights at the front, but you know I had to add some lights at the front and rear. Couple guys on the inside. Nice wing at the back. Cool little budget RC.
Let's do it.
Perfect.
Close, man. All right, I'm over by the skate park here. Alright, so that's the Ratchet. See you guys on the next video. Later.